Hi, I'm Nathaniel, CEO at Pickaxe. Today I want to make a quick video about how to grab your Claude API key. Claude is a really great AI product built by Anthropic, and API keys are basically kind of like passwords that let other services use your kind of Claude AI resources for them. So you may need to find this key for a lot of different reasons. Maybe you're building code, maybe you're using another service like Pickaxe, but it's a pretty straightforward process to get. So the first thing you're going to want to make sure you do is go to console.anthropic.com. Okay. Sometimes it can actually be a little annoying to get here because Claude just wants you to go to the chat with Claude, but this is a different place, console.anthropic.com. And you're going to want to log in there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and log in. And I'll log into my Anthropic Claude console. You may have to make an account here. It might be a little different from your Claude account depending on how it's set up. But now here we are in this Claude console. And actually you can see here it says get API key. But if you don't see it, you can go down in this manage area and click API keys. You can see I've already got a couple of API keys here. And we're just going to, you probably won't see any keys here, but we're just going to add a new key. We're going to create a key. We can give it a name like test key. That's a great name. And you can set up different workspaces in Claude. We won't get too much into that, but you could probably just pick the default workspace. Then go ahead and add the key, and the key will show up right here for you. Then you can just copy it and bring it to wherever you need to put it. Now, bear in mind that they may not show you this full key again. So make sure to keep this in a safe, secure place. Now, one place you might want to use your keys is Pickaxe. Pickaxe is a great way for you to build and sell access to your chatbots. It allows consultants and coaches to kind of build repositories of chatbots and then kind of provide access to them in a controlled manner. We let people put in their own API keys. And the way that you'll do that is here. You'll be in a studio in Pickaxe and you'll see this interface. You'll go over to settings, you scroll down, and you'll see a section called model API keys. Now you can see I've already got a lot of API keys in here. I'm just going to click add custom API key to add another one. I'm going to make sure to change this to the model that I'm using. So here it says OpenAI, but I'm going to go down to Claude because now we're adding a Claude API key. I'm going to go ahead and paste this new API key Claude gave me in, and I'm going to call this video test key. And I'm going to click add API key. It's as easy as that. And with Pickaxe, if you end up having multiple API keys for the same service, as you can see, we've got 3 Claude API keys here. It actually just rotates between them, which can be helpful if you're experiencing rate limits. Rate limits are something you should pay attention to in general if you're using API keys. Claude will outline the rate limits for you within their system. But thank you so much. Hopefully this has helped you to add an API key to Pickaxe and to find this API key in Claude. Looking forward to see what you build.